Why does the A note repeat itself after the 440 hertz becomes when it doubles?
Communication as part of the nurturing and conditioning. Because when manic becomes disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they are also removed from these phonological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited, and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll
It's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have
autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many?
So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges.
Because our A chord, if your A chord consists of 440.